Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Big Head Todd and the Monsters. And we are going to listen to Bittersweet.
It's the first time single take honest reaction by both of us. It is a Patreon request by our patron Vincent. You can check out our Patreon page to learn more about us and our channel. It is an uncut, unedited, pure, raw, spontaneous, impromptu reaction. It is exactly how we feel. We try to keep it as open, honest and true as possible in every single reaction video. Obviously when we do that, there will be people who may not like what we have to say, but most will agree that it's better to be honest than to be fake, dishonest or manipulative as a reactor. So we stick true to our word, keeping it honest, open and sincere every single time, so you get a holistic, true, pure experience of what we do as reactors on YouTube. Let's get started with the song Bittersweet.
And I dream she's not so far that she sings. Bridal meadows melt in sunset, her hair blowing in the breeze. She can't see me watching. I'm thinking, love. I said I'm older now. I work in a city, we live together, but it's different than my dream. Morning light fills the room and rise. She pretends she's sleeping. I wear everything we wanted. as we tremble and we, as we tremble and we bleed, as we tremble and we, as we tremble and we bleed. It's bittersweet, more sweet than bitter, bitter than sweet. It's a bittersweet surrender. It's bittersweet, more sweet than bitter, bitter than sweet. It's a bittersweet surrender.
Wow, beautiful to listen to. Beautiful to
Yeah.
listen to for sure. What are your thoughts?
It is very pleasant to listen to it. I like the way he sings by, filling emotions into the right places at the right time. It started very mild, the way he was singing. It was the best of the experiences he was sharing in the beginning. How probably, I was wondering why is he saying right after that bittersweet, and then it made more sense once you listen to the song further on. So he was talking about before marriage, probably when he would just sneak into the bedroom of this girl, and I said that's kind of creepy. He's very happy doing that. So, and then he said 4 times love. I said that's creepy. So he was just trying to give us a glimpse of how it all started and how he was blown over by this beautiful, graceful girl. He really liked her, but then after that he started with bittersweet. I said it's generally very sweet for guys to look into other girls' bedrooms. Why is he saying bittersweet? Because he lives with the same lady now. That's when it turns into bittersweet.
Yeah, and probably that time too, it was a honeymoon period of their romance or
Maybe,
relationship.
maybe.
So yeah, nothing wrong in
Sneaky.
taking a
Peeping in.
peek now and then, gently spying on her.
Yeah.
Yeah, so beautifully put together.
What a
though.
story,
Very well
beautiful
written.
story, yeah.
And it's so true for many of us. Many of us in our lives, not necessarily both of us, but there are many couples who every day is like a bittersweet surrender. There's more sweet than bitter.
Sometimes it is
and that's
more
what,
sweet than bitter, and sometimes he said more bitter than sweet.
Yeah, either ways, it's a commitment, and it's a very romantic, fulfilling, wonderful commitment. If you stick at it, even if when the odds are against you, even if there are pitfalls, obstacles in your way, if you still stick at it, definitely you'll come out on top. Both of you all will come out on top. You all will reign supreme. You all will be still together, still in love. In fact, you all may be madly in love with each other, and it will be a wonderful, wonderful relationship. A relationship of contentment, satisfaction, fulfillment, and meaning at the end of the day too. So beautifully put together, very well sung as well.
Yeah.
The love bit, that hook, beautifully sung, very well sung. The guitar dominating in the instruments, the drums giving it a wonderful background sound and harmony. Everything was put together beautifully. It was just the right duration, though it is usually longer than most songs that we listen to, 6 odd minutes.
So I didn't.
But the perfect
Yeah.
duration, you don't feel it. That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying.
You enjoy
Don't
it.
feel that it's that long because it's put together so beautifully. It has that much substance to go the distance. Beautiful, beautiful. And tremble, we bleed together. All that it gives a wonderful narration of what's probably happening in the lives of millions of couples around the world today. And at the end of the day, if you stick in there, stick together, you'll come out on top. Whether there's a pandemic, whether there's a crisis in your country or in the world, it doesn't matter. If you two are sticking together, at the end of the day, even if there's more bitter than sweet, you'll still have a sweet relationship. And that's what counts. That's it for this
That's
one.
what will
Goodbye.
count.